Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then you need to scroll down. Right here we have Equalizer, but you cannot use it if you enable theater mode. As you can see, I tap and nothing happened. So firstly disable this mode and then click at the Equalizer. Right here we have a custom one. So you have two options. You can or just click on it when you use the default, or select some preset. Let's say I wanna bass boost. Click apply, and now we can modify this preset and create a custom one. So click at the custom, as you can see, change. You can also click at the reset and you will have a default preset here. And now we can make something good. So that's okay for me. Also we can lower it here. The most important is to click save and give it a name. Let's call it test and sure. And now we have Equalizer preset and we use it. So we have this one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.